should hurry up. I have an assignment to do.
I have an assignment and you didn't do it yesterday.
What is wrong helping me out?
Oh, sorry for the delay.
I was looking for the money I placed on the bed.
I told you.
You told who?
I was just telling you were looking for the money, that's all.
So you were discussing me?
Oh, man.
Jason, being the firstborn comes with a lot of responsibilities. I need you to take your studies serious and forget about those girls. They can easily kill your dreams.
Why do you have to sound like everybody, Mom?
Jimfi, there are some things you need to learn before stepping out from your home. Never think elderly people talk too much. I was once like you. The decisions that we made, the bad ones and the good ones. Anyway, time to go.
Okay, Mom, so when is Daddy coming back?
My dear, your dad will be back next week, okay?
He needs to make time for us. We are a family.
Exactly.
You people should take care of yourself. That is the most important thing. Daddy is working hard to cater for us. And I'm here for you guys. Am I not enough for you?
You are, Mom.
Oh. I love you both.
I love you too.
Take care of your sister. Okay.
Mom, the money.
Hi. Again. Okay. You take the 50 service. And take the sister service.
Okay, Mommy. Thank you.
Please. Your chocolate is out of the system.
Okay, Mom. Thank you. Oh, it's actually 80. Just it's not 60.
Are you sure it's 80?
Yes, it's 80. 1,
It's
2,
not.
3, 4. Yes, Mom. No.
Hey.
It's 80.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame.
I knew these girls had some strange power. But wait, why put it on Mr. D? Jaden, it's not just right, man. It's not just right.
Very disrespect. But you test. I've been trying to figure out the kind of purpose they have, but I can't find out.
I don't know with this. Come on, I mean, they are wicked. And this kind of things dangerous anyway. This lady didn't deserve that at all.
Is it about Miss Daddy?
No. Why are you worried about the past when we can do much today? No. You see, there is something I've been wanting to tell you.
Jaden, I'm all ears.
Okay. I mean, the thing is, Mona, I really like you a lot. Yeah, and I felt this way for a while now. And I can't hide it anymore.
Well, Jaden. I do really appreciate your honesty. And I must say, I don't feel the same way. I'm sorry. said he likes me. What? You just said he likes me. I'm like,
Oh, but this is
So you know
great.
what?
You
So-
know, I would have to stand up for myself. Oh, yeah.
We can't let them keep away with this. They need to understand that they can't treat people like that.
Bro, they won't respect us. Bro, they won't respect us.
Peace all is one.
Bonjour, Madame Judith.
Bonjour, monsieur. Ça va?
Ça
Ça va très bien, merci.
Ça va très bien, merci. Oh,
Impressive. Well, you are doing well in your French process skills. Just keep it up.
thank you. As a matter of fact, I'm even on my way to the library to find a French word for love.
That's funny.
Are you busy?
Well, I just finished my class and I have to catch up with someone. Do you have something in mind?
Actually, I want to talk to you.
Oh, sure. All ears.
We've been friends for some time. And the thing is, I enjoy spending more time with you.
Same here. You're a great friend.
Is it?
Yeah, sure.
You're flattering me.
No, I'm not. That's the truth.
Really?
Yes.
Anyway, there was something more I actually want to say. And
Mr. Eddie, I'm having a feeling. What is it about?
the truth is, I don't mean to.
Do you need help for your French class?
Oh, not really. I don't mean to spring it on you unexpectedly, but I can't keep it to myself anymore. I need to spill it out.
Just spill it out.
It looks like I just heard the bell. It's break over, sorry. I think we'll discuss that.
Peace all is one. Peace all is one.
Yo guys, what's up? Yo, I'm random. Check this one. This one is perfect. All you need is an oil. Say oil. And you, this one is very cool. My mom. Yeah, look at it. It's called Awurajay pounding tiger nut rice mix. Yeah, sure. Oh, but this one is very cool. This one is 55 cedis, and this one is 50 cedis. Ooh, affordable and nice, bro. Yeah, you are. You can buy. I don't want to use mine. Oh, Prissy, don't do that, please.
Ohima, what are you doing here?
It's for me. Okay, fine. I'll see you. Prissy.
Don't worry. They cannot hear me and they can also see me.
Let's go.
Prissy, are you feeling okay?
Yeah, you're scaring us.
Kai, Ohima is here. Yeah.
Who is Ohima?
But Oyima, she's already there.
Oh, that girl.
I mean, nobody. What are you talking?
Where is she?
I'm serious. Ohima is right here.
Nobody is
here.
Why do you always scare that?
You are not serious. How can you tell me this story? Ohima, who is already dead.
She's here.
I mean, what's this? What's wrong with you, please?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm scared. Oh my God, I'm awful.
Chrissy,
I mean, what are you talking to?
are you okay?
You guys have to be guys! Acting all strange. She's here. Tell them I'm not harmed them. I guess you're
Why are you making everybody feel like I'm crazy?
You see, it's not my fault. I'm still waiting for my 40 days.
What do you mean by I'm waiting for your 40 days?
It is the time I had before I moved to the spiritual.
Ohima, you're not prepared for this. You left us heartbroken. It's a nightmare. Just
Please, I really need your help.
Just go.
You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Oh, and just love surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame. Oh, and just love surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no.
Jaden, what's going on? Why are you crossing me looking furious?
Don't act innocent, Abigail. I know you are the one who has been poisoning Muna's mind against me.
What? Look, I'm too old for this drama.
Oh, stop lying, Abigail. I know you are jealous of me. I see how scared you get when the guys talk to her more than you.
Wahala, you're being paranoid. Now get out of my way.
Paranoid? Oh yeah, right. I'm paranoid. Abigail, I see the way you look at her whenever she talks to me. As if I'm some kind of threat.
Oh, stop lying to yourself, young man. I can see your mirrors have been deceiving you lately. Maybe your bad character is what is driving me away.
Oh, please! You and I know who is at fault here.
Fine. If that is how you see it, then suit yourself!
Shouldn't have tried that. You know what laws are more powerful than witches.
Listen to me. If you think I'm that same old Abigail you used to know, then you've got something big coming.
You live to see. Abi? Small guess I am. You don't know when you play your witch.
me. You know you are the only person who can hear me and also see me. That means you can help me out. I just want the world to hear me. I just because I feel lonely. Please do something about this.
Ohima, there's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. Stop disturbing me.
Oh, please.
Why? Just stop disturbing me.
Chrissy, whom are you shouting at? Is it me or Killen?
No, please. I'm not talking to you.
Alright, better. Hey.
So they mean they didn't see me.
They can't see you. They can't hear you. Who see Ohima? Chrissy and Kelly can't see you. They can't even hear you either.
Chrissy, I know, but I just want to be near them.
Ohima, have you forgotten I'm the only company left for this your 40 days on earth?
But it's hard sometimes.
I know. Okay, I know. Let's just keep continuing wondering.
Please do something about this. Please.
I wish there's something I can do.
It's all in this one.
Tessie, I knew you'll be here.
Yeah, definitely. What's up?
Ade.
Why?
Where's Hans?
Yeah. I haven't seen him today, though. Why are you asking about him? Hey.
You guys always work together, so.
Yeah.
But Tessie, there's something that I want to talk to you about. I've been bothering my mind since.
Something?
Yeah.
What's it?
I have feelings.
You have feelings? Hey, but not me, right?
Why should I have feelings for you? How is I know you're already in a relationship with Hans?
Yeah, better. You have to know that.
There's this girl.
A girl?
Yeah, I've been crashing on her.
In our school?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't know how to approach her.
You don't know how to approach her? As in?
To talk to her.
You know how to approach a girl you like?
Yeah, I really do.
But you do like her?
I think you know her, Trilla.
Trilla. That fat.
You what?
Sorry. Okay, that's nice. Since when? Since when you have the feelings for her?
Ever since we came to this school.
Oh, and you kept that from me. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So what step are you taking to?
Like, I want you to help me.
Me?
Talk to her.
Help you?
Yeah.
Talk to a girl. Am I the one who like her? Are you not the one?
But we are best friends.
Yes, I know that. But why should I go and talk to her? Whilst you are the one who like her. Listen, you are a man. And as far as you like the girl, take a step forward. Get there. Talk to her. You know, it's easy. Why do you take this?
You think it's easy, but it's difficult for me to do that.
This is not difficult. Listen, you like her. Maybe she likes you too.
How would you know that she likes me too?
I don't know. Maybe she likes you or something, but be bold and go and talk to her. That's all.
Tessie, please try to help me, okay?
So how should I help you? How?
Okay. Let's have a deal.
A deal?
Yeah.
You know me, I like money. So
when you help me have a, I'll give you 500. Deal.
It's like I don't know you.
Deal.
Don't play with me, Sarah. Don't play with me.
Tessie, deal.
Okay, deal. I'll try. She's a cool girl though, but I'll try for you. First, I'm my best. That's somebody this for you. If you have to be someone.
Come on. Bestie.
I'm very lucky to have me. Get it.
this one.